Let's make my cheesy ground beef taco pie recipe. It is so easy to make and so delicious, it's going to be your favorite weeknight meal. Start with cooking ground beef and diced onion. Drain any extra fat. Mix in your favorite taco seasoning. Pour beef mixture into a greased pie dish. Top with canned green chili peppers with their liquid and shredded cheddar cheese. In a mixing bowl, mix Bisquick, milk, and eggs. Pour mixture over the cheese. Bake at 400 degrees for 25 minutes, then remove from the oven. Add additional cheese and bake an additional 5 minutes. Rest for 5 minutes, then add your favorite taco toppings. For full recipe and tips, hit the link in the description and visit aforkstail.com.